Okay, here's your Thomas the Train set. Here's the train station with Mr. Toppin Hat and the train. Here's the engine wash with the engineer. Here's the trains, the houses, the train going over the bridge and one under the bridge with a dinosaur in it. You got the Thomas working on construction. Got a big engineer whistle and little engineer whistle. You got the forest and a green coal train going around. You got pigs and horses and a farmer, covered bridge, and then back to the car wash. This is just one that we set up. You got the Thomas the Train box. Stores all the stuff. Another look at it. And then we got the ones that were on the naughty list.